Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, and more all in one place without paying multiple subscriptions every month, this video is for you. Today we're reviewing the 1min.ai lifetime deal, a tool that bundles the best AI models into one powerful, affordable platform. Let me show you how it works and why I think it's worth grabbing. Writing tools. First up, the Writing Studio. Need a blog post, ad copy, a YouTube script like this one? Just type in your topic and the AI generates high-quality content instantly. You can research keywords, rewrite existing text, expand short ideas into full paragraphs, or shorten long ones into quick summaries. There's even a grammar checker, translator, and plagiarism detector built right in. So instead of staring at a blank page, you've got a personal writing assistant on call 24/7. Image tools. Next, images. You can generate original pictures from text, upscale blurry photos, or remove and replace backgrounds in seconds. Want to get creative? There's a face swapper, a sketch-to-image tool, and even a 3D image generator. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or client graphics without ever opening Photoshop. Document tools. Then there's the Document Studio. You can actually chat with PDFs, ask questions, and get answers instantly. Need to create a presentation? Just type your topic and 1min.ai builds the slides for you. You can also translate entire documents with one click. Huge time saver for students, professionals, or freelancers. Audio tools. Now let's talk audio. You can generate realistic voiceovers from text, create original music tracks, transcribe recordings, or even change your voice. So if you're making a podcast, need a background track for your video, or want a professional voiceover without hiring someone, it's all built in. Video tools, and of course, video. This is where 1min.ai's AI really shines. You can turn text into full videos, animate images into motion clips, generate captions automatically, or even swap faces. Plus, you can summarize, transcribe, or translate YouTube videos, which makes repurposing content a breeze. Whether you're making TikToks, YouTube explainers, or client ads, this cuts your editing time down from hours to minutes. Code tools, and if you're into tech, there's even a code generator. Need a script, a snippet, or some quick automation? Just tell it what you want, and the AI writes the code for you. It's like having a junior developer in your back pocket. Now, here's where it gets even smarter. Most video tools charge you $30, $50, or even $100 a month. But 1min.ai is on StackSocial right now with a lifetime deal. You pay once, and you're done. Pro Plan, $29.97, normally $234. 87% off Business Plan, $49.97, normally $360. 86% off Advanced Business Plan, $79.97, normally $540. 85% off. It's a one-time payment that gives you tools for life, no monthly fees, no license renewals. If you want this deal before it's gone, click the link in the description now.